Ever wondered how some short motivational videos on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are racking up millions of views and serious cash? It's like a digital gold rush. But creating these viral hits isn't rocket science. It's simpler than you think. In this video, I'll unveil the secret sauce to crafting captivating motivational content effortlessly using the magic of AI. Get ready to skyrocket your views and leave your audience craving more. Have you noticed the explosive popularity of motivational videos on Instagram lately? These videos are not just performing well, they're setting the platform on fire. But what's the magic ingredient that makes them so captivating? Let's take a peek. Add 5-6 Instagram short motivational reels. It's all about the voiceover. Yes, that's the secret sauce behind every viral motivational video. Now, let's crack the code and learn how to create these engaging reels ourselves. Step 1. By tapping into ChatGPT's wisdom, we can craft inspiring quotes effortlessly. But there's an art to it. We need to keep it simple, clear, and impactful. Next up, we layer on some visually stunning footage with a hint of mystery. Think dark and enigmatic vibes. Now, combine these elements and voila! You've got yourself a viral-worthy motivational video. Want to extend your video length? Just ask ChatGPT to add a second or even a third part to your quotes. The possibilities are endless, and before you know it, you'll have a captivating 15 to 20-second masterpiece ready to inspire millions. First things first. Let's talk about creating your masterpiece with Fleeky. Once you've set up your account, it's time to unleash your creativity. Give your project a catchy name and hit submit. Now, the real fun begins. Copy one of your inspiring quotes, maybe something you crafted with ChatGPT, and paste it into Fleeky. Watch as your quote transforms into a visual spectacle, but don't stop there. Add another scene to keep your audience hooked. Scan through your quote, find the perfect moment for a switch, and voila! Repeat this process until your quote dances across the screen in a mesmerizing sequence. Now, let's talk footage. The beauty of this method lies in its versatility. It doesn't matter what you use: cars cruising through fields, waves crashing against a serene beach, or even a playful squirrel darting through the trees. What matters is the cinematic allure. Seek out visuals that scream epic and awe-inspiring. Trust me, the magic is in the visuals. Feeling inspired yet? It's time to tweak some settings. Switch from square to portrait mode, hide those subtitles, we'll add them later, and adjust the aspect ratio for maximum impact. But wait, we can't forget about the voiceover, the soul of your video. Choose a male voiceover, like the suave Gavin, to breathe life into your creation. Set the scene transitions to a seamless 0.2 seconds, ensuring a smooth flow from one moment to the next. Now, for the finishing touch, music. Adjust the duration of your final scene, ensuring it syncs perfectly with the soundtrack of success. When creating viral motivational videos, the music sets the tone. While Instagram offers options with copyrighted music, YouTube Shorts audio library allows for safe use. Opting for royalty-free music is the safest bet, accessible through various websites, some even free. Utilizing CapCut, a free editing tool, enhances video quality. Import the video and chosen music, aligning the climax of the music with the impactful moment of the speech. Adjust the music volume for balance, ensuring it complements the message without overpowering it. Now, you have noticed that all the videos that I showed have a dark theme, right? Crafting captivating motivational videos for millions of views involves mastering the art of color grading. Rather than a rigid set of rules, think of it as a creative journey. Injecting a touch of mystery and allure into your videos can be achieved through skillful color adjustments. Start by navigating to the adjustment settings, allowing you to play with temperature, hue, and saturation sliders. For that enigmatic vibe, set temperature and saturation to 30, brightness to 15, and contrast to 15. Experiment with these sliders until your video exudes the perfect blend of darkness and mystique, captivating audiences worldwide. In crafting captivating motivational videos, enhancing subtitles is crucial. Start by positioning subtitles in the center of the screen, enhancing their size for better readability. Break lengthy texts into smaller, more digestible parts, and give them a stylish touch with a classic font like Arno Pro. Add a subtle shadow effect to make your subtitles pop and ensure an engaging viewing experience. As you craft your motivational shorts, remember, success isn't just about personal achievement, it's about lifting others up. Craft your message with subtitles that fit like a glove, setting a mysterious tone that keeps viewers hooked. Time your speech to end just as the music drops, leaving them craving more. With a few clicks, export your masterpiece and share it with the world. Find all the tools and prompts in the video description. Show some love with likes and comments to inspire more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.